Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Odyssey infotainment and iPhone model matter because software negotiates features. Once confirmed, plug a high-quality lightning cable into the vehicle USB marked with a smartphone icon, or prepare wireless pairing if your trim supports it. Next, enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Siri on your iPhone so the system can authenticate and mirror apps. While you plug in, set the infotainment to smartphone or CarPlay mode. That begins the handshake between the phone. Now you complete the middle steps. Pair the phone to the Odyssey via Bluetooth first, because the head unit uses that link to launch CarPlay. When the PIN appears, verify it matches on both devices and accept. Once paired, unlock your iPhone and look for the CarPlay permission prompt. Go to Settings, General CarPlay if needed, and add the vehicle. After granting access, choose CarPlay on the Honda display and arrange icons. This step customizes navigation and frequently used apps for quick access. Finish by verifying core functions. Launch Maps, make a call, and play audio to confirm microphone and speakers work. If something fails, start with simple fixes. Swap the lightning cable, restart your iPhone, and power cycle the Odyssey infotainment. Make sure iOS and vehicle firmware are up to date, because mismatched software often blocks CarPlay. If you still see issues, reset iPhone network settings as a last resort. This clears Bluetooth pairings, but often restores a clean CarPlay connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.